Let's continue from where we ended. So this is part 2 of paper 1, sorry. Question 12 says, evaluate 3 to the power 0 times 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 1. Now we know that anything raised to the power 0 is just 1 times. So this is 3 to the power 3, which is 3 times 3 times 3 plus anything to the power 1 is that same number. So 1 times, this is 27 plus 3. So 1, you first multiply following body mass. So 1 times 27 is 27 plus 3. What do you get? You get 30. So that's the answer on A. Then B says, the diagram below. The diagram shows a sector of a circle with the center O and radius 4.2. Angle AOB is 0. Calculate the area of the sector AOB. Given the area, find the okay, alright. So you've been given the area, hence you've been asked to find the theta here. Right. So how do you find the area of the sector first? That's what you must know. Area of a sector is given by theta over 360 times pi r squared. In this case, we don't have our angle, but we have our area. Our area is now 9.24. Need to agree that it's the same as 924 over 100. Then we can reduce this to a simplest ratio. Let's first reduce the area. 924 over 100. If we divide it to here, what are we getting? We said 924, you divide by 2, you get 462. Over this is 50. Can you still divide it to there? You get 231 over 25. Okay. Okay, so we can reduce it to that. So what we have here is 231 over 25, which is equal to theta over 360 times pi is 22 over 7 times the radius, which is the radius is this 4.2, so we need to square it. 4.2 squared. So this is 17.64. I need to carry out your steps so that you can find the value of the angle. Therefore, without wasting much of the time, we know that this times this and times this will give us this plus the angle. So you can say 231 over 25 is equal to 388.08 divided by. So now we can multiply this and this. So please be quick in your multiplication because this is paper 1. Okay, 2520. Now here there's theta as well. Now when you multiply this and this, this and this, you get your value for the theta. So this times this now. So make sure this is paper 1, by the way, so no need of using a calculator. They catch you, you are dead. Theta is equal to now this times that. 231 times 2520. Get 5. 8, 2, 120. Now divided by 9702 divided by 9702. So 9702. The angle is 60 degrees. As simple as that. That's how you work it out. The diagram below shows points A, B, and C. You can see them, like A is there, B is there, and C is there, and A is here, B there, and C there. If the local time at B is 15 hours, what is the local time at C? Now, when we look at A is here, and C is here. These two are in different hemispheres. It's B, sorry, not A. I'm talking about B and C. Sorry. So I'm talking between B and C. So B, let me just write again here. No. So you can see that B is on 30 degrees south. Even C is on 30 degrees south. But they are on different longitudes. That means first we need to find the angle, which is the difference in longitudes. Since they are in different hemispheres, we are going to add 30 plus 75 to give us 105 degrees. That's the first step. They are in different hemispheres, but on the same latitude, but in different longitude. So you find the difference in longitude by adding, because they are in both west and they are in different hemispheres. Second, what we are interested in is to find the hours beyond B, which are at C here. You know that 1 hour is equal to 15 degrees. How many hours is C beyond from B if it has 105 degrees? Okay, so that X will be equal to 105 divided by 15. So we're going to get 7 hours. Okay, now we know that the 7 hours is the difference between B and C. Now, are we going to add to 15 or we're going to subtract to 15? Get this right now. As you go towards the east, time increases. As you go towards the west, time decreases. Now, since C is towards the east, so time is increasing. So we are going to add. So we have 15 hours. So we're going to add 7 hours. 0, 0, 2, 22 hours. Don't dare be tempted to say 22 hours. This is wrong. In mathematics, this means 22 divided by 0, 0. So take note of that. So the time here is 22 hours at C, sorry. Then, if it takes 6 hours, we're planning to fly from A to B. What is the speed in knots? Now we know that speed is equal to distance times what? Time. What's the distance between A and B? That's one thing that we need to find out. Now look at A and B. They are on the same longitude. So the distance there is equal to theta over 360 times 2 by r, if I'm not mistaken. But in this case, this is paper 1, so most we can use distance is equal to 60 degrees times the change in the two. So we are saying distance is equal to 60 times the change in between A and B. When we look at A is here and B is here. You can tell that they are on the same longitude but in different latitude, so you add these 2, which is 90. That will be times 90. So just 60 times 90 to give you 5,400 as distance. Then you're saying 5, 4, 0, 0 times time is 6 hours. So no, sorry. Speed is equal to distance over time. Sorry. So distance is this, and the time is 6. So we're going to get 900 knots. So sorry about that. Hope it's cleared. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.